In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if message is read on LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for LinkedIn's read receipt so you can tell whether your message has been opened. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your web browser and head to Google. This is a simple way to get to the official site quickly. In the search bar, type LinkedIn. You should see the official LinkedIn website appear at the top of the results. Click that link to go straight to the platform. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your account. Once you're on LinkedIn, look toward the top of the page for the messaging option. It's in the main navigation bar and opens your inbox. Click Messaging to bring up your recent conversations in a panel where you can see all your threads. Next, open a message. Choose the conversation where you're waiting for a reply or curious if your last note has been seen. Clicking the thread will load the full chat on the right side, showing your messages and any responses. Now here's how you know if your message was read. Look closely at your most recent message in that conversation. If the other person has opened the chat and viewed your note, their small profile picture will appear right next to your message. That little avatar is LinkedIn's read receipt. It's subtle, but it's the key indicator that your message has been seen. Sometimes the placement can be just below or at the edge of your last bubble, so take a second to spot it. If you don't see their profile picture there, a couple of things could be happening. Most commonly, the person simply hasn't opened the message yet. Another possibility is that read receipts are turned off. LinkedIn lets people control whether these indicators are shown, so if either of you has disabled them, you won't see the profile picture even if the message was opened. In group conversations, you may notice multiple small profile pictures as different participants read the message at different times. A quick tip: give the page a moment to update, especially if your internet connection is slow. The read indicator can take a second to appear after the other person opens your message. If needed, you can refresh the page to prompt the latest status. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, search for LinkedIn, open the official site, click messaging at the top, open the conversation you care about, and check your last message for their profile picture. If you see it, your message has been read.